Feeling financially overwhelmed can be paralyzing. Whether you're starting over after a setback, facing job loss, or simply unsure where to begin, the good news is you're not alone and you can regain control. Think of this moment as an opportunity to rebuild, stronger and wiser. Just as a physical first aid kit provides crucial supplies to manage the unexpected, a financial first aid kit is essential for stabilizing your life in uncertain times. Here are 3 actionable steps to help you steady yourself, breathe, and move forward with purpose. Step 1. Stop the financial bleeding. Triaging your situation. Just as in any emergency, before you can make progress, you need to understand exactly what you're working with. Start by listing every source of income you have, no matter how small. Next, make a list of every expense. Include the basics like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, minimum debt payments, and any other regular outflows. Capture the full picture as honestly as possible. Now, look for the must-haves, the expenses you absolutely cannot live without. If your income doesn't meet these, prioritize them immediately and let lesser, non-essential expenses go, at least temporarily. If you're in danger of missing a crucial payment, reach out to the creditor or landlord right away. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Build your emergency buffer. With the immediate situation addressed, the absolute priority is to treat paying yourself as an essential obligation. Before allocating funds to anything else after your core survival needs, immediately direct a portion of your income to your financial future, starting with a small emergency fund. Make it a non-negotiable rule. Pay yourself first. Even if it's a small amount initially, consistently allocate funds to your emergency buffer before other spending. This prioritizes your future and empowers you to weather life's storms. Step 3. Find one small way to save $20 this week. Now, for a quick win. Your mission this week: find just one small way to save $20 by becoming conscious of those daily point-of-sale purchases. Track where your money goes for just a day. You might be surprised at those seemingly insignificant expenses. Identify one, like that daily vending machine trip or those energy drinks, and make that small cut. Remember, financial recovery is a journey, not a sprint. By taking these first 3 crucial steps, understanding your situation, prioritizing your future self by paying yourself first, and finding small, immediate wins by examining those point-of-sale purchases like that daily vending machine trip or those energy drinks you might not actually need, you are building a solid foundation. Just like I discovered I was spending hundreds on those small, unconscious buys and saved over $300 a month by making those small shifts, you too can find those hidden leaks. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate every bit of progress and know that you have the power to create a more secure financial future. What's one small way you plan to save $20 this week by being more aware of your daily spending? Share in the comments below. Subscribe for more empowering financial guidance.
All right. So you just watched the breakdown. We got 3 action steps right here. Now let's nail these key actions. I got a monologue. Step 1, triage. Stop the bleeding. Think of it like this. If you walked into an emergency room with a serious wound, the first thing they do isn't schedule long-term therapy. They stop the bleeding right away. That's what this step is all about for our finances. Identify those critical outflows, those must-haves, and make sure those are covered first. It's about immediate stabilization. No progress can be made until you stop the financial hemorrhaging. Number 2, my personal favorite, pay you first, a buffer. Moving on to step 2, buffer. Pay you first. This is where we shift from reacting to taking control. Think of a buffer in a game. It protects you from damage. That's what this emergency fund is for your financial life. But the clever part here is pay you first. It's not about saving what's left over. It's about prioritizing your future self before those non-essential wants before those impulse buys, a small portion goes directly into your buffer emergency fund. It's saying my financial well being matters, and that small act of self prioritization creates a cushion against the unexpected. And last but not least, save $20 this week. POS. That doesn't stand for what you think. It stands for point of sale purchases. An impulse buy, your energy drinks, your incense, your vending machine purchases. For me, I kind of do feel like a piece of shit. Now that I have changed my mindset and want a better future financially, that's exactly what it means to me. I do feel like if I buy a Red Bull now and I spend $3 or $4 or $5 instead of putting it in my savings emergency fund, for me, I have a plan and I plan on getting into real estate investing. So I can't do it. I feel like a piece of shit if I buy something that I do not need. Thank you all for watching. That is my video. I didn't react to it, but I did create it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share it. Please like. Please subscribe. Please comment. Thanks for watching. KPL. Boom.